What's up, YouTube? It's Ryan with the MXG channel on AOMC again. Have some more new model news for you guys today. If you're an electric fan or if you're a parent, this is going to pertain to you. KTM has just announced their new SX E-3. I'm sure everybody's probably familiar with the SX E-5. It's been around for what, 3 years now? And that's going to be your 50 level electric mini race bike from KTM. Well, this is a very, very close bike to that. It's actually the same bike. So you're probably asking, what's the difference? This looks exactly like the SX E-5 to me. There are three main differences that allow this bike to be more competitive with the PW50 as far as a beginner's first motorcycle. And those three differences are: one, reduced maximum power output. This bike, even in mode 6, I guess, isn't going to be as fast as the SX E-5. More to come on that when we find out details. Does it still have 6 modes? Are they all just a little less power? Or does it not have all 6 modes? I don't know, we'll find out. But battery capacity as well. So the battery capacity is going to be a little less on the SX E-3. And that's where the price is going to come in. I believe the price is going to be around $500 cheaper, I think. And then probably your biggest difference is going to be it's going to have a 10-inch front wheel. So the SX E-5 has the 10-inch rear and the 12-inch front. The E-3 is going to have the 10 and the 10. There are some classes that the SX E-5 couldn't race in because of that 12-inch front, and parents were having to buy 10-inch wheels and put on the SX E-5 to make it legal. So now this SX E-3 is going to be, one, it's going to be legal in some other classes, and two, it's just going to be a little cheaper and a little better for a new rider. So you'll be able to scale this thing down to power level 1. It's going to be very tame, very mellow. You know, like we have out of a Yamaha PW50. That's what my boy started on, and he's getting ready to make the move to an SX E-5 himself for Christmas. Don't tell him I told you. Shout out to Weston. And but yeah, it's exciting. We don't have any more electric options with KTM yet, but we expect a 65 and an 85 to both be coming in the next couple years, because KTM made that promise to the youth that started on this SX E-5, that they would keep the 85 and the 65 coming, so they could travel up the ladder on electric. And obviously the macroeconomic situation in the world and supply chain has delayed that a little bit, but we should expect that within the next 2 years, I think, for sure. So very cool bike. KTM gives us options. It's what they do best. If you're an enthusiast, you will never, ever, ever not appreciate having all the options that KTM gives us, no matter what your feelings are on the brand. So thank you guys for that. And appreciate all you guys. Buy your parts from AOMC. The link's in the description. Hit the subscribe button. Join my race team. See you in the next one.